撒迦利亞書第11章。
Zechariah chapter 11.
利巴嫩啊，開開你的門，任火燒滅你的香柏樹。
Open your doors, O Lebanon, that fire may devour your cedars.
松樹啊，應當哀號，因為香柏樹傾倒，佳美的樹毀壞。巴山的橡樹啊，應當哀號，因為茂盛的樹林已經倒了。
Wail, O cypress, for the cedar has fallen, because the mighty trees are ruined. Wail, O oaks of Bashan, for the thick forest has come down.
聽啊，有牧人哀號的聲音，因他們榮華的草場毀壞了；有少壯獅子咆哮的聲音，因約旦河旁的叢林荒廢了。
There is the sound of wailing shepherds, for their glory is in ruins. There is the sound of roaring lions, for the pride of the Jordan is in ruins.
耶和華我的神如此說：你撒迦利亞要牧養這將宰的群羊，
Thus says the Lord my God, feed the flock for slaughter.
買他們的宰了他們，以自己為無罪；賣他們的說：耶和華是應當稱頌的，因我成為富足。牧養他們的並不憐恤他們，
Whose owners slaughter them and feel no guilt. Those who sell them say, Blessed be the Lord, for I am rich, and their shepherds do not pity them.
耶和華說：我不再憐恤這地的居民，必將這民交給各人的鄰舍和他們王的手中，他們必毀滅這地，我也不救這民脱離他們的手。
For I will no longer pity the inhabitants of the land, says the Lord, but indeed I will give everyone into his neighbor's hand and into the hand of his king. They shall attack the land, and I will not deliver them from their hand.
於是我牧養這將宰的群羊，就是群中最困苦的羊。我拿着兩根杖，一根我稱為榮美，一根我稱為聯索，這樣我牧養了群羊。
So I fed the flock for slaughter, in particular the poor of the flock. I took for myself 2 staffs, the one I called beauty, and the other I called bonds, and I fed the flock.
1月之內，我除滅3個牧人，因為我的心厭煩他們，他們的心也憎厭我。
I dismissed the 3 shepherds in 1 month. My soul loathed them, and their soul also abhorred me.
我就說：我不牧養你們，要死的由他死，要喪亡的由他喪亡，餘剩的由他們彼此相食。
Then I said, I will not feed you. Let what is dying die, and what is perishing perish. Let those that are left eat each other's flesh.
我截斷那稱為榮美的杖，表明我廢棄與萬民所立的約。
And I took my staff, beauty, and cut it in 2, that I might break the covenant which I had made with all the peoples.
當日就廢棄了，這樣那些仰望我的困苦羊就知道所說的是耶和華的話。
So it was broken on that day. Thus the poor of the flock, who were watching me, knew that it was the word of the Lord.
我對他們說：你們若以為美，就給我工價；不然就罷了。於是他們給了30塊錢作為我的工價。
Then I said to them, If it is agreeable to you, give me my wages, and if not, refrain. So they weighed out for my wages 30 pieces of silver.
耶和華吩咐我說：要把眾人所估定美好的價值丟給窯戶。我便將這30塊錢在耶和華的殿中丟給窯戶了。
And the Lord said to me, Throw it to the potter. That princely price they set on me. So I took the 30 pieces of silver and threw them into the house of the Lord for the potter.
我又截斷稱為聯索的那根杖，表明我廢棄猶大與以色列弟兄的情誼。
Then I cut in 2 my other staff, bonds, that I might break the brotherhood between Judah and Israel.
耶和華又吩咐我說：你再取愚昧牧人所用的器具。
And the Lord said to me, Next, take for yourself the implements of a foolish shepherd.
因我要在這地興起一個牧人，他不看顧喪亡的，不尋找分散的，不醫治受傷的，也不牧養強壯的，卻要吃肥羊的肉， 撕裂他的蹄子。
For indeed I will raise up a shepherd in the land, who will not care for those who are cut off, nor seek the young, nor heal those that are broken, nor feed those that still stand. But he will eat the flesh of the fat, and tear their hoofs in pieces.
無用的牧人丟棄羊群有禍了，都必臨到他的膀臂和右眼上，他的膀臂必全然枯乾，他的右眼也必昏暗失明。
Woe to the worthless shepherd who leaves the flock! A sword shall be against his arm, and against his right eye. His arm shall completely wither, and his right eye shall be totally blinded.